Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my beautiful rideshare revolutionaries. It's me, Gio, and y'all know who the fuck it is. Alright, I did not drive this morning. I've had 3 very long days, and I'm a fucking bum. I couldn't get out of bed, so. If I'm somewhere right now waiting for pings. If I don't get any rides around, if I don't get any good rides, I might just not do anything today. Um, yeah, this might be my day off if I can't get nothing going. But something I do think is interesting is how the Uber and Lyft stocks are doing right now. I noticed late last week that the stocks were kind of climbing a bit. They were kind of surging, or not, yeah, surging, right? Because Lyft bottomed out pretty quickly. So and I'm sorry I have to film this in profile mode, but it doesn't look good in landscape. So so this is the Robinhood app. This is where I bought all the Uber. This is the app I use to monitor my Uber stock. And thanks to you guys that use my code, I've also gotten additional stock, and I'll show you guys, if you guys want, how to do that. But Lyft had their IPO on, was that March 29th? Yeah, so that was their IPO started at $87, and then as quickly as April 1st, they were down 20%, right? And then the stock just continued to drop and drop and drop and drop and drop, and it hit its lowest point on May 13th. It was down 44% to $39. But then it started coming back. So those of you who bought in, let's say you bought in around here at $58. Right now, you're probably your investment seems safe because it's back to, fuck, 10 minutes. It's kicking my ass. I got the worst joints, guys. Let's say you bought in around here, 58, whatever. Then it's a pretty safe investment because it's been hovering around 58 to 65 or 63 the last week. So not so bad. You know, the theory is buy low, sell high. So if you, and obviously, I mean, I don't have much experience with stocks, but like, let's say you decide that the stock can't go any lower than, or it can, but reasonably it was a safe bet to get in at 48. If you bought, 100 shares, then you would have made $1,000. So, yeah. Or we made more than that, right? No, 100 times 10, $1,000. Yeah. All right, now let's go to my stocks. All my stocks seem to be performing pretty well. The last 3 months, I'm up $70, 7%, but I only bought the Uber stock, and the rest of my stock was free from the referral code. So, let's go to Uber right now. These are all those shares other than Uber, those are all free. I got from one of you using my referral code. So when that happens, I get a free stock, you get a free stock. I'll leave the referral code in the description of this video. So far they're all performing pretty well. But let's go to Uber. Over the last 3 months, so Uber dropped at $42, had a sharp decline 2 days later, 2 or 3 days later, and then kind of underperformed for a little bit, and now they're back up. I mean, they're only up 2%, but they were up last week. They're up 8% for a little, or 7% for a little bit. So Uber seems to be the steadier of the stock of the two. I know I was making fun of Lyft for the IPO, and some of the other rideshare YouTubers were kind of like hoping Uber shot themselves in the foot with their IPO. But I think for the most part, you want most companies that you're invested in, right, to do well. You don't want a company to underperform, to do badly in the stock market, because that's bad news for everyone. But right now, it seems like Uber and Lyft are. Uber is up for the last week and a half since their IPO. Lyft is climbing back. So that's a good thing. I don't want to celebrate Lyft doing poorly in the market. That's kind of fucked up. So I'm not going to give you guys investing advice, but I would say those of you who want to invest in these stocks, just keep a close eye. Obviously, get an app. You don't have to get Robinhood, but I think Schwab has an app. There's another one out there, but I'm not quite sure the name. Just pay close attention, and then when you feel confident enough that you want to invest a little bit and see what happens, then feel free. It's kind of cool. It's kind of fun to check how your stuff is doing. It's kind of cool to be like, oh yeah, I made $70 doing nothing on a $990 investment. That's pretty cool. I'll take it. I mean, do you guys like losing money? Or do you just like watching money grow? Do you like, I wish I had more money to put into the market so I can invest a bit more. I'd like to learn more about how to do this better, but I personally think like you're not really making a lot of money in the market unless you're investing $50,000, $100,000. But for the most part, I'm relatively happy seeing what I'm seeing right now. What do you guys think? I know a lot of you gave me shit for taking that appreciation bonus and putting it into the stock, but I mean, $1,000, that's like 3 days to me. So I figured, why not? Let's see what happens. And so far, everything's going so well. The Uber stock is up, even though it's only $1. And everything else seems to be doing pretty well. Groupon is fluctuating a bit. So there you go. Yeah, not so bad. What do you guys think of this app? I think it's pretty cool. It kind of simplifies trading and all that stuff for big dumb cavemen like me that don't understand numbers. So yeah, that's all I got for this one, guys. Just want to give you guys a quick update on how the stocks are doing. Again, I'm going to put my referral code for Robinhood in the description. If you use it, then you get a free stock. I get a free stock. Everyone wins. So yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. Everyone, please stay safe, stay driven, stay classy. I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.